In this video, I'm exploring how you can use the Finta Coda Pack to sync your financial data, whether it be transactions and accounts and investments, into a Coda doc. Finta also works with Notion, Airtable, and Google Sheets. So this is an example, but you can automate syncing your financial data, especially if you're in the US, also into other tools of your choice. On any Coda doc, I can type /Finta, and I can add the pack. There are some tables, and that's it. It's only tables that we can sync naturally, because that's what we want to see here. I can set the refresh, just like in any pack. When you connect an external tool through a pack in Coda, there is the synced data refresh. You can connect your account, which I'm going to do right now. I will sign in with Finta. If you do not have an account, just sign up directly in here. Before granted access, I need to connect my accounts. So we'll go to the Finta app and then connect my account. Here I can select my country. Keep in mind, Finta uses Plaid. Plaid is the largest API platform that allows you to programmatically access bank data. Most US banks are available. If you are in Europe or in other countries, it is a bit more restricted because of regulations mostly, and the fact that the system there is a bit more closed than it is in the US. I can also connect Stripe though, which makes things easier, especially when it comes to retrieving income data if you use it to receive payments for your products or services, for example. I will use Mercury for this example. And this opens a new tab that prompts me to log into my account and to give permission to access the data. So this is the authorization that I need, read account data, and then it is successful, so I can go back to Finta and see my account there, and then also load it into a Coda table. So we close this up. Here are the available destinations. Keep in mind, there is also Notion, for example, or Airtable and Google Sheets. Although, if I click in here, this forces me to start from a template, which is fine. Not what I want, though, in this example, because I want to load my accounts data in an existing Coda doc. So to do that, I will go back to Coda and connect account, signing with Finta, the sync start date, the accounts that I want to sync, I can toggle on and off. And then if I grant access, when you connect your Finta account, then one of the destinations that you will set in Finta is Coda, and the Finta Pack offers tables. These are synced tables from your banks connected through Finta. For example, here are institutions that you can see. These are all the banks that you connected in Finta where you have accounts. Then there are accounts where there are all the accounts, the type, the subtype, the balance, currency, and other data. You can see how accounts are linked to institutions. Each account is one institution. Also, transactions are automatically sent into your doc, which then allows you to easily track your spending and visualize patterns, but also manage your data and simply have visibility over your financial data. This can certainly be helpful for personal use. It can also be helpful if you are a family office, for example, and you want to see all your clients' accounts data in one single place that maybe connects with other parts of your management system. That might be project management, CRM, that can live under one single tool that is Coda, and maybe also integrate with other systems. And the packs concept in Coda makes it very easy to connect third-party tools into your Coda doc. And then because these are tables, they can be related with each other. So we can always add a relation to different tables within the doc. Each synced table has the usual options that you can see when using any Coda pack that contains a synced table. That includes the sync frequency. For example, you might sync it manually by clicking this button, or you can automate the sync daily, or it can also be hourly if you are on the team plan or above in Coda. Otherwise, this is not possible. Notice how we can also connect multiple accounts, which makes it easy. In the example that I gave before, if you're a family office we want to track multiple different accounts from multiple people, you can do that here through the Finta Coda Pack. There are some limits here that we can set for the rows, and as per usual, we can filter, we can conditionally format rows, and we can create charts, visualizations of data, such as this pie chart. We can also create bar charts, line charts. So the options for charts are in here when we set the chart type. Coda pages can also have filters that they can then trickle down throughout the dashboard. So if you want to set the filter for a specific month, that data changes automatically throughout the views and charts within that page, making it a comprehensive and simple to use dashboard. Coda is one of the destinations or sources where you can store your data through Finta, but it's not the only one. You can also use Notion, Google Sheets, and Airtable. So this covers quite a wide array of modern tools for work or personal life management. It is a secure tool because it is fundamentally a wrapper around the Plaid API. The Plaid API is the most comprehensive integration platform that allows developers to build on top of bank data securely. And this includes US banks, and it also includes other countries' banks. Although what I noticed in the past is that US banks are very widely accessible and available. European and other countries' banks a bit less so, especially due to regulations present in other countries and especially Europe. Thank you for watching this video, but you can also find a link to contact me if you wish to work together to implement this kind of system to track financial data of you or your clients in Coda or any other tool. Or if you have any questions, see you in the next one.